These are the HogOn Staircases. I want to give you a quick review. They come in two different models. They come in boat up, and they come in stationary, where it's completely welded together for the modular homes, trailer parks, and things of that nature. But for the RV parks, they boat up. And as you see, that's a bracket where bolts on, all the treads bolts on. And it has another bracket here that bolts on and makes it come together. Very easy. This one right here came without a handrail, but they do come with handrails. But this model right here, the lady wanted just without the handrail because our RV got a big handrail, so she just wanted to go completely up to the door, so that way she killing two birds with one stone. So this one right here is almost done. Actually, I got to put the last piece of wood on there and bolt it down. I had to actually let it dry out some more, but this is pretty much what I got going. And these range, they start off at $350 and they go up. As of now, the most expensive one I had built has been around $650. It was big, but on a normal range, it ranged from $350 to $550. Depends on what you want and how you want it built. HogOn.